about aqua beads, right? They're these beads that you can make into shapes with water. But you'll never believe that aqua beads can turn into slime. Now, this is a really easy no glue slime recipe, and even though they can rip a lot and they're technically not the safest slime in the world, if you want to make a no glue slime, then follow my instructions. So, of course, you need a water slime and, of course, aqua beads. So, you can just pick out some aqua beads and then you can just place them in this water slime for a little bit, and it works best if you do it overnight. And eventually you can get these beads that are sort of expanded and jelly-like. And then after a long time, they'll turn into some sort of Orbeez that you can mash to turn into some slime. Now again, this is not the safest slime, and I'm not 100% sure if it's not toxic, so just don't sniff it and always wash your hands after playing with it. But if you want to make an easy no glue slime, then this is your go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!